I am going to make a mossarium out of the things that I picked up from our backyard and roof. We need to pick some of the moss off of the roof, yes. So that is a thing. There's some of the stuff. We got more than that. I'm going to use this here jar that I absolutely adore. And I used this for my first shrimpy tank. And you can check that out in our in the description if you want. And we're gonna make a mossarium. First things first, going to need some rocks. Be where like the water sits. So I also have some dirt. I need a scooper. Here, I'll use this. This is just some dirt from the yard. And the purpose of having the rocks in the bottom is so the water will seep down there and cool, stay down. Got to have water in there. Got a couple of other rocks I'm going to put in here too, just because. Hope wifey doesn't mind, but I'm going to use that. Right. Sticks. So I'm going to make a tree, a moss tree. I'm going to put some of this lovely moss at the bottom. clump moss. That looks amazing, wifey. I'll take a break. Butter. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Check the things in the description.
Don't forget, we have a Facebook, we have an Instagram, we have a Twitter page. Please share this on your social medias, like, subscribe, and all that other fun stuff.
This was really fun. I think it's really pretty. And I'm really curious to see if like some random wild plants end up growing in there with it, because I used some dirt from the yard and could potentially be rather interesting. Well, until next time. Bye.